We decided to develop this product after a series of focus groups where we were able to understand the unmet needs of professional workers doing different jobs. And we heard a consistent message coming out of that, which is that people were looking for waterproofness, which doesn't look and feel like rainwear. And underpinning this, when you look beneath, you can understand what people really need is versatile clothing. This is because they work in a wide range of demanding conditions and diverse work environments. And so the goal of this development was to address this by bringing together two elements: the soft drape in hand, associated with a soft shell jacket, combined with the reliable and durable weather protection of a GORE-TEX hard shell. The reason we decided to use recycled textiles is because this is one important aspect of our wider sustainability strategy. Normally, when you make a textile, you need to extract untapped raw material resources in the form of hydrocarbons, which then have to be transported and synthesized and processed to form the polymer out of which the textile can be made. However, in this case, we make our textiles entirely from used PET drinks bottles. This also has the benefit of saving energy, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and diverting waste that otherwise may end up in landfill. Specifically in this case, we decided to make recycled and knitted textiles. The knitting process not only delivers the soft hand feel that we were looking for, but also helps to further reduce the product environmental footprint, because knitting is a simpler, gentler, less energy-intensive process than weaving. We know that this product has an improved environmental footprint because we measured it using the Higg Material Sustainability Index. This is a tool which is the most widely used tool in the garment industry, and it allows us to measure the environmental impact of materials across a range of different areas such as global warming potential, water scarcity, and raw material resource consumption. This helped us to make informed decisions when developing the product. For example, we chose to use a recycled and knitted face textile, a recycled knitted and solution-dyed backer, and we also decided to use exclusively Bluesign approved material sets for this development. As a result of this, the cumulative effect of these decisions was we were able to deliver a really meaningful step change reduction in the product environmental footprint for this concept compared to reference materials. A Bluesign approved laminate is one which has been approved by an independent Swiss-based company called Bluesign Technologies. It's a third-party label which covers a broad range of sustainability-related criteria each step in the supply chain, all the way from chemical formulation through to finished laminate, covering not only materials, but also the GORE production facilities. It's one of the leading and most comprehensive standards available in the industry today, addressing a range of different areas, including resource use, occupational health and safety, water and air emissions, and consumer safety. Yes, it's a very important question to think about. And we conducted a life cycle assessment of a GORE-TEX jacket. And from that, we were able to understand the production and distribution phase has the biggest impact on the product footprint. So making the product last and extending that useful life is the single most important thing you can do. The first thing is it's important to choose a product that's fit for the intended end use. This means the textiles are able to withstand the mechanical demands of the end-use environment, but also the barrier layer that delivers the weather protection needs to stand up to everything it will experience, whether that be chemical contaminants, oil contamination, industrial laundry, sweat contamination, or UV exposure. Once you choose the right product that's robust for the end use, then it's important to maintain it and to follow the correct wash, care, and repair instructions to extend the life of it. and you can find further information about this on the GORE-TEX professional website.